Welcome to Lecture 7, Part 1 of the course Applications of ICT. In this session, we'll begin exploring the fascinating world of computer software, the essential layer that makes hardware useful and interactive. From the moment you start your computer to launching apps and managing files, it's software that makes every function possible. In this part, we'll focus on the basic concepts of software, the difference between system software and application software, and take a closer look at the various types of operating systems used in computers, networks, and mobile devices. Segment 1. What is software and why it matters? When we talk about software, we usually divide it into two main types: system software and application software. Understanding the difference between the two is essential to understanding how a computer functions. System software is like the hidden force that keeps everything running smoothly. It works in the background and manages the internal operations of your computer. You don't usually interact with it directly, but without it, nothing else would function. It handles tasks like starting up the computer, managing memory, connecting hardware devices like printers and keyboards, and providing a platform for application programs to run. The most common example of system software is the operating system, like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. On the other hand, application software is what you use to get your work done. These are the programs that help you perform specific tasks, like writing documents, browsing the internet, editing images, or playing music. You interact directly with these programs to accomplish your goals. When you open Microsoft Word to write a document, you're using application software. But in the background, it's the operating system software, that makes sure the program opens correctly, lets you save your work to the hard drive, and connects to your printer when you need to print your file. In simple terms, system software keeps the computer running. Application software helps you do what you need to do on the computer. Segment 2. System software and operating systems. To make a computer function properly, we rely on a special kind of software called system software. It's essential because it acts as the foundation that allows both the hardware and application programs to work together. Among all types of system software, the most important is the operating system, or OS. Think of the operating system as the bridge between the user and the machine. It takes care of launching programs, managing memory, storing files, and ensuring that all your tasks run smoothly and efficiently. Without the OS, your computer wouldn't even start. There are several types of operating systems, each designed for specific environments and needs. Let's explore a few of them. Batch operating system. This type of OS processes a large amount of data in one go, without human interaction during the process. It's commonly used in systems like payroll or billing, where jobs are grouped and executed automatically, often overnight. Distributed operating system. Imagine several computers working together as if they were one powerful machine. That's what a distributed OS does. It coordinates multiple networked systems to operate as a unified environment. Major cloud services like Google Cloud or Amazon Web Services, AWS, rely on distributed OS principles. Multitasking operating system. This is what most of us use every day. It allows multiple applications to run at once. For example, on a computer running Windows 10, you can browse the internet, listen to music, and work on a document, all at the same time. Network operating system. In environments where many computers are connected, such as offices or computer labs, a network OS manages communication and resource sharing. It allows different devices to share files, printers, and internet connections efficiently. Examples include Windows Server or older systems like Novell NetWare. Real-time operating system, RTOS. This is used in situations where an immediate response is critical. There's no room for delays. For instance, in a pacemaker or a robotic arm on an assembly line, the OS must react in real time to inputs. Every millisecond matters. FreeRTOS is a common example of this kind of system. Mobile operating system. Specifically designed for smartphones and tablets, mobile OSs are optimized for touch screens, limited battery life, and mobile connectivity. Popular systems like Android and iOS manage everything from apps and settings to cameras and sensors. Let's look at a comparison. When you use an Android phone, the mobile OS is what lets you switch between apps, get notifications, and manage battery usage. On the other hand, a drone flying through the air might be using FreeRTOS, a real-time OS that instantly controls the speed of its propellers. Each operating system is built with a purpose. Whether it's multitasking on your laptop, running life-saving devices in real time, or managing huge networks in the cloud. But they all fall under the same category of system software, working silently to power the digital world around us. In this part of the lecture, we've built a solid understanding of what computer software is and how it operates at the core of every digital task. We explored the two main types, system software and application software, and learned how the operating system acts as the bridge between hardware and users. We also looked at the different types of operating systems, each designed to serve specific functions across various environments. In Part 2, we'll shift our focus to the software you interact with every day, application software, licensing models, and how modern tools are packaged and delivered to users. Stay with us as we continue to uncover the power of software in shaping the digital experience.